Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by cleaning aggressively. Acetone removes oil and paint so the epoxy adheres. Once done, roughen the metal with 80-120 grit to create a mechanical key. This increases strength. Make a small 1/16 to 1/8-inch groove if the seam is tight. Now mix equal parts of the two compounds for 1 to 2 minutes until a uniform gray. This activates the chemistry and sets working time. Apply promptly to prevent premature skinning. You should force the mixed epoxy deep into the joint so there are no voids. Overfill slightly to compensate for shrinkage. Once applied, align and clamp the parts. Proper clamping transfers load through the repair and reduces stress concentrations. The product achieves an initial set in 1 to 4 hours, so keep clamps steady. While tack is fresh, scrape excess with a putty knife and smooth the bead. This makes finishing and sanding easier once cured. You must let the repair cure fully for 15 to 24 hours at room temperature. A warmer environment speeds the chemical reaction and increases strength. After cure, sand starting with 120 grit, then refine with 400 grit for a smooth finish, then prime and paint to prevent corrosion. If the bond fails, re-clean and roughen both surfaces and reapply. If loads are high, add mechanical fasteners or plates. One key
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.